Hey YouTube, today we're taking a look at impact wrench drill chucks, and in this video I want to make it clear there are no logos or brand names, and this is one particular drill chuck you can buy, and there is another one that I made by TIG welding a socket on the back of a chuck, and they both operate exactly the same from what I found, and they both have the same issue in my opinion from testing these two drill chucks, the one I bought and the one I made. And that issue, the biggest one, is that they self-tighten as you're impacting, so they are very, very difficult to loosen afterwards using a key or putting the impact in reverse. It doesn't always work that great, and it's very difficult. The second thing is there really is no way to retain these drill chucks on most impact wrenches on the anvil, unless you use an anvil with the through hole where you can pin the chuck on the anvil. But how many anvils do you know on these impact wrenches that have a through hole besides the Makitas? All right, so besides the Makitas, I don't think any of these impacts have through holes, unless you're looking at the Makitas or the bootleg Makitas like the Livedian or smaller Top Shack. Those ones all have the through hole where you can pin the socket. If you don't pin it, these drill chucks go flying off or fall off, so they're not very secure at all. One drill chuck in this video uses set screws, and you'll see the set screws fly out, so that's an issue too. They don't really work that great. They do not work anything like a drill. They don't run true because the anvil in an impact wrench is not made like that. There's a lot of slop at the nose cone, so you'll never get a drill bit to run true on an impact wrench like a drill. If you're really looking to drill with like an impact wrench, definitely check out the DeWalt with the hex drive, or some of these Makita impacts have bootleg impacts have a hex drive on the anvil, or even get a hex drive adapter. But hex drive adapter, again, they don't have any way to secure them to the anvil. So if you need it secure, you're gonna have to buy like an impact with a hex drive. And I think that's it.